चढ खर्च करपी पर्यटकांक गोंयांत आकर्षित करपा खातीर रोडमॅप जाय। संवसारीक सल्लागारे हाडचे पडटले। उद्योग, पर्यटन आनी माहिती तंत्रज्ञान मंत्री रोहन खंवटेन सांगले। गोंयाक आयटीत एक विशिष्ट विभाग करपाचो सरकाराचो यत्न आसा, अशेंय खंवटेन सांगले। मंत्रीपदाची सुत्रां हातीन घेतल्या उपरांत दिल्लीच्या पहिल्या दौऱ्यात रोहनान पर्यटन आणि आयटी विभागाच्या अधिकाऱ्यां सयत केंद्रीय पर्यटन राज्यमंत्री श्रीपद नायकाची भेट घेतली। उपरांत रोहन खंवटे आणि केंद्रीय मंत्री श्रीपद नायकान केंद्रीय पर्यटन मंत्री किशन रेड्डी आणि आयटी मंत्री अश्विनी वैष्णवाची भेट घेतली। गोंयाक आयटी हब म्हण फुडें व्हरपा खातीर आपली येवजण आयटी मंत्र्याक सांगल्या। आयटी क्षेत्रात रोजगाराच्यो संधी दिवपा खातीर तरणाट्यांची कुशळटाय वाडयतना रिस्किलिंग करतले, अशेंय रोहनान सांगले।
In terms of Goa, if we are talking about Goa being created into a world-class destination for quality tourists, it has to be a roadmap. So we may have to have some global consultants coming on board, thinking about what we need. Mainly, we need to understand how we can attract the high-spending tourists to Goa. It can't be only with what we have in offering. We will need to plan what they need, and we will have to showcase things what we can attract those type of people. So in terms of infrastructure, in terms of other things, we have spoken to the tourism minister. Our chairman also has met the tourism minister, and we have been assured of enough support to take Goa as a very important tourism destination internationally for good tourists coming down to Goa, which will also help us in our economy. We are looking at Goa not to be competing with Bangalore or any other state. We are not wanting Goa to be another Silicon Valley. We are looking at Goa to go on an Estonian model or a Luxembourg model, where we can think about a niche segment where IT can be looked at. We have shared our plan and asked for our support under BharatNet, asking for also support under various infrastructures as far as the hybrid cluster is concerned, the electric manufacturing cluster is concerned, and more projects in the pipeline. We are also looking at e-governance to happen so that government transparency and we are more effectively we are able to deliver services to the people. And for all this purpose, the support and the type of reciprocation given by the Union Minister, Shri Ashwin Vaishnavji, was very overwhelming. We are very optimistic of getting things to go, what Goa needs, giving them the connectivity, giving them the co-working spaces, giving what the IT ecosystem requires, ensuring that IT also becomes a contributor to the Goa's GDP and also allows employment at every level, skilled people where we have the brain drain that needs to be avoided. So a plan for which IT and ITES ecosystem is concerned, where it will involve jobs to all. We are targeting roughly about 2,000 jobs at Porvorim. We are targeting about 10,000 jobs at Thune. So this will be including skilling and reskilling the people in the available resources that we have.
Bureau Report, Goa 365.